to cooking dinner. Oh, right. Let's go. Ta-da! My ram turned up. Finally. Oh, easy doing this one-handed. Ah, get off. Nice. I'll fit that later, but first, some foil to take off. The chicken. Oh, that needs cleaning. Okay, no bother. Mittens. Oh. Wow. Come on. Okay. Nice. Right, it's going back in now. Job done. Stuff in cupboard. Peas, gravy, and a whisk. Nice. Right. Bin. Done. Onward. Okay. As you want to see on the previous video, yesterday was a bit of a shitter. With broken CPU pins and sticky memory decided to die. So I ordered some more RAM. And that's only, I think that came about 2 o'clock this afternoon. And with it being Sunday, I've not been bothered to actually even put it in yet. I was hoping to start work on the custom water loop in the new case. Not even started that yet. It's just been one of them days where I'm just wanting to relax, vegetate, and I've done pretty much naff all day. So what I'll do is I'm going to make a brew, and I'll show you the memory. I'm just going to do it right. Set of Corsair Vengeance RGB, really nice set of memory. So it's going to look nice in the case when that's done, and hopefully tomorrow I'll get a message from the seller on eBay, not eBay, Amazon, to see what's going on with the CPU. It can go one of two ways. I can either get a replacement, or it could be in that frame of mind where it says my fault, I've inserted it wrong, and I bent the pins, and I won't get a refund. Means I've got a rather expensive paperweight, and not have to buy another one, which I don't really want to do. So hopefully the ball is in my favour and don't get a refund. But apart from that, I feel like much more has gone on today. Like I said, I was hoping to start working with custom water loop by putting in my motherboard standoffs, putting my old A328K in there, along with the AMD Athlon and the memory. No. Because two or three of the fans that was in the case originally are now in this one. Which means, yeah, I'm going to find more fans to put in this case, to take out of that case, to put in the water loop case. The mind boggles, it really does. So without further ado, kettle's boiling. Yes. Let's have a look at this new memory. Here she is. Here's a memory question. Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 2 DDR4. I've not even opened this box yet, so I don't even know what it's like. But looking at it, pretty decent. Oh, you need a blade to get into the box. Oh no, you don't. Ta-da! Gotta do this one-handed now. This is gonna be fun. There we go. Ooh, very swanky. Very, very nice. It's just a sealed plastic case. Oh, oh. There we go. Yes, very nice. Very, very nice. Not sure when I'll get a chance to put this in. Probably going to be bloody Friday at this rate now with work. Yeah, really happy with them. Really nice. Very, very nice. So, yeah, at least I've got these. What I'm doing now is wait for Friday so I can actually put it into the bloody case. Installation instructions. Whatever reason. Oh, safety information. Yeah, well, it does come in handy should you need it. But, yep. There we go. Some Vengeance Pro. I'm going to settle down with a brew. For bed. With Kitty. Hey, Bisque. Booty cat. Fan on because it's actually red hot in here tonight. So, night night from Biscuit, and good night from me. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!